Alright, and welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you how to use the internet to make yourself some money. So stick with me and I'll be right back. Alright guys, in this video we're going to be talking about a website that you can log into and you can sit there and make some money straight from your computer at home. What we're going to do is we're going to take a overview of the system, see how it works and how you can use it to make yourselves some extra money. So this is mine and Ryan's channel here, Sam and Ryan Hill. If you are interested in making money online, whether that be affiliate marketing, the stock market, or just simple little ways like this to earn yourself some extra cash at home online, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video when we release a new one. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on to the website. It is called Humanatic, okay? So this is Humanatic, and as you can see here, it is all about reviewing calls to get paid. So basically what you're going to do, as it says here, you're going to listen to a recorded phone call. So you know, when you phone up a company and they say this call is being recorded, well, that is Humanatic. And that's exactly what they do. They record the calls for companies so that other people can review them so that they can give an in-depth analysis on the recorded call, whether that be for training purposes or whatever. You'll hear that said quite a lot of times when you phone up companies. Now, this is completely free to sign up to. As you can see here, completely free, and this is where you'll click to sign up, okay? Now, when you do sign up, you're going to get taken through to this page here. Now, what they say to be verified to sign up to Humanatic is the only requirement is a PayPal account. That is the only way they are going to pay you, okay? So what you're going to have to do is you're going to either sign up for PayPal if you don't have a PayPal account, or you're just going to log into PayPal. So if you do have PayPal, all you're going to have to do is click on this little button just here to log in with PayPal. And then all you do is you log in with your current PayPal account. Simple as that. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy peasy. All you do is you click on here, sign up with verified PayPal account, and this is the screen you're going to get. All you do is you put in your first name. Obviously, it's got to be legal because you are going to verify your account with PayPal. This is a brand new PayPal account. Your email address, use one that you have access to, and then you create your password and you go through and you create a PayPal account. PayPal is free, so the whole process to work for Humanatic is completely free. And any information that you give to PayPal as well will not be shared with Humanatic. So we're going to go back to the first page on Humanatic. They are on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. If you want to connect with them, you'll get reviews, updates, you'll be able to see other people reviewing the website as well. Now, when I've looked over this, there are a mixture of reviews, and it seems like not a lot of people particularly know how to use it correctly, or they're not quite getting there, they're not verifying their PayPal, or whatever it is. If you don't follow the step-by-step instructions for Humanatic, you are going to struggle to use this site. So make sure you completely follow the instructions and you sign up and verify all of your details. Okay, so if we go down here, you can see what it says, why you should join Humanatic. Freedom. Basically, what that means is they do not tie you down to any hours whatsoever. There is no restrictions. You can review phone calls whatever day or time you like. Now, obviously, they are going to have times that are more in demand. So there's going to be a higher volume of calls that need to be verified at certain times of the day. And I'm going to show you that in a moment. But other than that, whenever you've got a spare hour or a spare 30 minutes, whatever it is that you want to put into this, then there will be calls to review, and you can do it at your pace, your time, and for however long that you wish to do so. So I'm going to look down here, and basically what it's saying is you create your own schedule and make as little or as much as you choose. When you first start, you are given access to the 2 easiest categories of calls. As you advance, you will unlock new categories which will provide more opportunities to earn. They will never charge you anything, and they pay you weekly. Like I said, direct to your PayPal account. So at no point do you ever have to make or receive phone calls. You are purely listening to recorded calls and giving feedback. So there's going to be multiple choice questions. You're going to answer those questions, and Humanatic are going to take your answers, and they're going to do a bigger in-depth analysis based on numerous people and the answers that they give, okay? They have 150,000 users around the world already. And so there are lots of places around the world that you can do this job for. It is not just USA. If you go on the Facebook page, there is a map, and that's where we're going to go in a moment. So you can use the button at the top to sign up, or you can use this button here. And there's also some frequently asked questions, which we are going to go through in a moment, because there's lots of things in here that is going to help you to make sure you can verify your account correctly and you can get set up correctly. You know all the ins and outs, and you don't end up struggling like lots of people do. So stick with me, and we're going to go through those frequently asked questions in a minute so that you don't miss a trick on how you get set up for this website. On Facebook, at the top of their page, it gives you a map of the world, and it shows you exactly where some of the users are that work for them already. So as you can see, there are lots of places that this works all around the world. You can read through their Facebook page and see all of the things that they do, all of the photos they put up, and all of the different people that work with them already. You can make friends with people that are already doing it, etc., etc. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through, like I said, to the frequently asked questions, and just go through a few things that are there. So what is Humanatic? Well, it is a software that was created to provide companies with an in-depth analysis of their phone calls. So it's the human touch, if you like, rather than computers that are used to transcribe and decipher recorded phone calls. They provide working opportunities to people like you and me all over the world to sit down and listen to a recorded call over a cup of tea, cup of coffee, and then answer some simple questions at the end to enable Humanatic to do a deeper analysis. Okay, so that's that one. How do you apply? So it's simple. I've already explained. All you need is a verified PayPal account. And that's because the verification proves that a person is who they say they are, and that then creates the confidence and willingness to do business with you. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can create it, as I showed you before, direct through Humanatic. Humanatic is free. This is what I was telling you before. Are you required to review the calls during certain hours? And here it says that you are not required to review calls during certain hours. You may log in and review as little or as much as you like at times that suit you best. However, the largest volume of calls will be available between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's the US. So all you need to do is just check whatever time zone you're in and figure out what Eastern Standard Time is for you, and then you can work out what your working hours would be. And then it goes on to tell you about account and payment. And obviously we know that it's PayPal that you're going to get paid with, And so you can go through here and you can look at how all this works, how you can verify your account, how you get paid, how much you can make. Let's click on how much you can make. So this may vary depending on your skill level. We have different categories that pay different amounts for answers. We start off all reviewers with the easiest two categories. Once you have achieved a certain accuracy level, you will unlock new higher paying categories. You can make anywhere from $1 to $4.50 an hour depending on your skill and accuracy. Be patient and consistent and you will achieve great things. So $1 to $4.50 an hour. You're not leaving the house, you're staying at home, you can make yourself a brew and you can sit down at the computer, listen to a few calls and answer the questions. Pretty easy way to make yourself a little bit of extra money. So that's all there is for Humanatic. It's one of those websites that are not going to make you tons and tons and tons of money. It's not going to make you rich, but it is a site that you can use to give yourself a little bit of extra income, top up your salary if you like. So for this video, that is all I have. And I will be back again soon with another way you can make some extra money online. So for now, take care and I'll see you next time.